Welcome to Module 1. In Module 1, I'm going to give you an overview of the Photoshop workspace so that you can understand the essentials menus and have them at your fingertips so that you have a basic understanding of how Photoshop works. In this module, we'll be looking at the Select tool and compiling two images together to put a house into a mountain scene. You will be using the Select tool, the Move tool, and you'll be blurring out and rescaling some of the edges of the house so that the house basically fits into the backdrop in which we place it. I'm super excited for the basic commands that we're going to learn in Module 1. This will be the foundation of other wonderful things to come. We will be playing with free transform, rescaling images, and changing the perspective of an image. How exciting is that? Are you ready to get started? Let's get started.